Hello everybody, this is yours truly, man. Remember, this account was at 8,000 yesterday. Today it's at 21,000. As you can see, their profits running. You cannot do something that you're not consistent with 2 times a day or the whole week, because I've been building this. The key though is to understand the timing to the market. The market is a little bit choppy. I did explain the time on the website. I did explain the time on my videos. I did explain the time on my previous things. You understand that the market has a timing to it. You can't ignore the timing factor in the market. These are trades that you enter 15 minutes and you're already in this kind of a profit. The market is choppy, but the timing kills everything. You understand? So when you understand the timing to this thing, you're safe. So God bless you, and I hope this helps you. You see this thing, I'm trying to show you the consistency in this. You look at that, see that? I'm trying to show you the consistency in this. I did this thing last week, I did it yesterday, I'm doing it today. I can do this thing anytime. The most important thing is to understand the key elements about trading, and then you're good to go. With this approach, I promise you, you will conquer any market. Literally, you will conquer any market. So it is what it is. From 8,000 yesterday to 21,000, almost 22,000 today. That's more than double, man. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly signing out. Oh, by the way, it's a real account. Eh? It's a real account. For those of you who keep asking me, it's a real account. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, 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 truly signing out right about now.